What are allowances on a W4 form?
Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into a critical aspect of your tax forms, the W4 form. Specifically, we'll be exploring the concept of allowances. It's a term that might sound daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down for you step by step.
What is a W4 form?
First things first, let's clarify what we mean by a W4 form. It's an IRS form that you fill out when you start a new job. Its purpose is to tell your employer how much federal income tax to withhold from your paychecks. The form is updated periodically, and as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the allowances were replaced with a new system. But it's still important to understand what they were, as some states still use a version of the allowance system.
What were allowances on a W4 form?
Historically, the more allowances you claimed on your W4, the less income tax would be withheld from your paycheck. Each allowance essentially represented a portion of your income that was considered exempt from federal income tax. You could claim allowances for various reasons, such as being a dependent, having a spouse, or having children.
How did allowances affect your paycheck and tax refund?
Here's where the rubber meets the road. If you claimed more allowances, less money was taken out of your paycheck each pay period, but you might end up owing money at tax time if you didn't have enough withheld. If you claimed fewer allowances, more tax was withheld from your paycheck, and you might receive a tax refund when you filed your taxes if you had too much withheld.
What replaced allowances in the W4 form?
As mentioned, as of 2020, the IRS replaced the allowance system on the W4 form with a system that aims to be more accurate. Now, the form asks for specific dollar amounts for things like income, tax credits, and deductions, making it a bit more complex but providing a more accurate withholding. Understanding the concept of allowances can help you comprehend the historical context of the U.S. income tax system and the changes it has undergone. Remember, the goal is to achieve a balance where you neither owe a lot at tax time nor receive a big refund. Both indicate that your withholding isn't properly calibrated. As always, for the most accurate advice, please consult with a tax professional. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this has clarified the concept of allowances on a W4 form.